Hey guys, welcome to our channel Chill on YouTube. Exotic and luxury cars are traditionally the safest vehicles on the road. Not only are they engineered to be eminently crashworthy, but they typically offer advanced safety and drive assist systems as well. But as in the case with other vehicle classes, some luxury branded models are rated more highly than others for safety. Fortunately, there are great organizations out there such as Consumer Reports that regularly test cars in different categories and grade them based on their safety. Especially since not all vehicles are created the same and their safety records and features vary greatly. Here then are the 5 exotic cars with the best safety ratings, as nothing is more important than safety when it comes to motor vehicles. Let's check out the video and stay tuned for a number 2 pick on this cool car safety crash list. Alright guys, that's the end of our video, the top 5 most exotic car crashes. Safety test. We hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. But before you go, subscribe, like, and share the video. And don't forget, hit that bell icon for more interesting videos made just for you.